Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the AA booster cables. They're insulated. They're also known as jump leads. So this particular one can only do up to 2.5 litre cars in petrol and diesel. And it's a 3 meter cable. I'm not exactly sure how long that is. I hope it's long enough. But I've seen some other companies do 4 meter ones. So yeah, we'll open it anyway and have a look. So it's 3 meters length, fully insulated battery clamps, recommended for vehicles up to 3 liters. This says 3000 cc, but the website says 2.5 liters. So either way, there's some sort of, I don't know guys, maybe we can do 3 liters. So support for petrol and diesel vehicles and complies with the law obviously. So the main reason I chose this one over other brands is because they had good reviews and there was no really 1-star reviews compared to other ones which were cheaper but they did have high reviews, but they had a lot more 1-star reviews and some had even fire hazards and stuff. So I just steered clear of that compared to this one which had none of that. So yeah. Okay, so many vehicle batteries are now located in inaccessible locations such as under rest, under seat, in a boot. So boot one, BMWs are very known to put their batteries in the boot. So that's just a tip for you guys. Normal cars have it in the front, BMWs have it in the boot. Driver footwell, I've never actually witnessed any of them. Under the seat, not witnessed that either. I don't think them two places would be safe, to be honest. Like in the case of something happening, like an accident, how would they protect you from getting acid on you, or from the battery and stuff? So yeah, in these cases, manufacturers often provide remote jump start points located in the bonnet. Oh, that's pretty cool. These must be okay. Do not attempt to jump start a vehicle if either of the batteries are damaged or leaking. The batteries give off flammable gases which could, okay. So this is how you use it. Before connecting any leads, ensure both vehicles are parked with a safe place, handbrakes on, ignition off. Vehicles must not touch as this can cause electrical damage. Okay. So switch off all electrical equipment and remove keys from ignition. Okay, on vehicles with keyless entry systems, it's vital the keys are placed well away from the car, ideally 2 columns away. Switch off all electrical equipment on both vehicles. Okay, select neutral or park. Okay, so the red, you want to connect one end to the positive terminal of the donor, which would be to the car. No, I mean my car, and the other end of the positive to the other battery, the one the one you're trying to revive. The black lead, connect one end to the negative of my car, other end must be connected to the suitable earth point, not to the battery. This earth point should be away from the fuel lines of the battery, so you want to touch metal on the other car, not the, so otherwise you might fuck up your electrical system. So when the leads are connected, wait 2 minutes for the voltage to equalize before starting either engine. Okay, start the engine of the donor car and let it run for about 3 minutes. This will charge the battery of the casualty vehicle. Okay, so you want to start the engine, let it run for a few minutes. While the engine of the donor vehicle is still running, start the engine of the casualty vehicle, leaving it running at fast idle for 10 minutes. Fast idle is vital to prevent the alternator of the casualty vehicle overheating while it works at its maximum output to recharge the battery. Wait, what? While the engine of the donor is still running, start the engine of the casualty, yes. Leave it running at fast idle for 10 minutes. The fast idle, okay. Do not remove the leads while the engines are running, as this can cause serious damage to the electronics of both vehicles. Okay, turn off ignition of both cars and disconnect the leads in the reverse order. So remove the black ones first. Be very careful not to let the clips touch the other vehicle body work. Now start the casualty vehicle. If it doesn't start, then there either problem with the charging. Okay, so guys, what was this? You should only crank the engine for a maximum 15 seconds at a time with the rest of a minute. Cracking an engine for longer periods can overheat the starter motor, the boost cables. Okay. Alright, so one thing is, main reason I bought this is to revive Labib's Astra. So we've got Vauxhall Astra, which is Labib's car. The battery is dead on it, and we tried a battery charger. What's this guy doing? Okay, it seems he's been attacked. Go subscribe to his Twitch. He's getting attacked at the moment, as you can see. Let me just claim some points, free points. There you go. Yeah, go check out Sai, which is Olid. He used to be in the Mole clan with me, if you watch my GTA videos. So yeah, I was going to say, what was I actually saying? Something about why we got it for Labib's car, because his battery's dead. We got a battery charger. We tried to charge it, but the battery voltage is so low that it won't actually charge. So what we might need to do is, I'm going to try connect my car to his car with this, charge it up a bit, because these are 9 volts. So I've checked online, everyone says it's a dead battery, but we think we might just be able to revive it, because we only need to hit 11 volts to be able to charge the vehicle, charge the battery using the battery charger, because underneath 11 volts it does not charge. It's considered a dead battery. So yeah, so what I'm going to try to do, hopefully bring up the voltage with Labib's car with this, and then we might have to plug the charger in while this is charging it. We'll see what happens. We'll see if we can jump start it. If not, we might just have to fork out for a new battery, which is only £60, but it's just something you don't want to. If you can prevent it, then why not? So yeah. So yeah, this can do 3 liters. Let's actually 6 minutes in and we've not even actually opened the box. My bad guys, my bad. Let's go ahead and open it now. To be fair, there is nothing much in there, it's just the wires, I guess. Let's see how long they are. This case is very dirty though. I'll have to give that a good clean. Alright. So this is the prongs. Let's have a look at the end of it. Oi, that is hard. That is a workout and a half, guys. Fucking hell. That is a workout and a half. Alright. Got the metal prongs there, as you can see. They're like copper, I think, so it's best for conductivity. Okay, the very hard clips, as you can see. This is really good quality, actually. It looks worse on the internet. What's this? Battery produced. Okay, so you're warning on there. Wear safety glasses. I wear my normal glasses, so all should be good. Okay. Alright, more warnings again. Now let's see how long these wires actually are. Okay, I'm going to pause the video and stretch out so you can see how long these wires are. I guess I'll be honest with you, the cables are actually a lot longer than I thought they would be. So that's what 3 meters is. As you can see, it's easily enough to go almost to the end of my room, side to side. So I'm thinking my room is sideways is 4 meters probably. So yeah, 4 meters would be a bit longer than this. So 3 meters should be fine. I would prefer 4 meters, just in case, you never know. Because Labib's car sometimes is parked this way, and if it's on the drive and it's dead, and there's no way to get another car on there, because you can't, can you? There's no other possible way. You'll have to bring the wire all the way across, or use, yeah, you need an extra very long one. So yeah, this should do the job though. This is good enough, 3 meters long. So yeah, I'm very impressed. And how much did we pay for this? Yeah, these are $12.99, which is not bad. So yeah, anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. I recommend these, I guess. They seem pretty high quality to me, and the reviews are all good. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Goodbye.